For graphing this line, y equals 4x plus 5, I'm going to find the intercepts. So for the x-intercept, y equals 0. This will give me 0 equals 4x plus 5. Subtract 5 from both sides. Minus 5 minus 5. I'm going to get negative 5 equals 4x. Divide both sides by 4. Negative 5 over 4 is 4x over 4. I'm going to write the x on the left side. X equals negative 5/4. So the x-intercept is negative 5/4 comma 0. Then the y-intercept. At this point, forget about everything you did for the x-intercept, because we're starting finding a brand new point. For the y-intercept, x equals 0, I'm going to get y equals 4 times 0 plus 5. 4 times 0 is 0. So y equals 0 plus 5, and y equals 5. So the y-intercept is 0 comma 5. I've mentioned and stressed the intercepts because that's what you need for the next section. But the computer is not going to cooperate right here. On paper, I can do this. I can do y-intercept, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, put a dot. The x-intercept is negative 5/4. That's negative 1 1/4. I'd put a dot. Then I could sketch my line. I'm going to go back to the computer screen right here. Let's enlarge this. Okay, click to enlarge the graph and select the line tool. And you have a choice here, solid or dotted line. Because it's less than or equal to, we'll pick the solid. I will go to 5 on the y-axis, and it's just not going to cooperate. Well, see, now my point is at negative 1 comma 1. Can I click on negative 5/4? No. Look in the right corner there, negative 1, 0, tells me where that dot is. So my point being here, the computer is not going to let me click on the y-intercept if it is a fraction. Let me go back to the paper and say, you know what, now I'm going to need a point that's not a fraction. So let's do this. Let's pick one more point. I'm going to pick x equals negative 1. That kind of looked like it would come out pretty good there. The equation was y equals 4x plus 5. So y is 4 times negative 1 plus 5. 4 times negative 1 is negative 4. Negative 4 plus 5 is 1. So the point negative 1 comma 1 is on the line. So that's the one I will pick for the computer. And again, you see the top right there on the graphing part of here? It says you're at now negative 1 comma 1. Click, it sets the line, I'll click save. I'm not done yet. Let me click enlarge graph again. I still have to do what I call dump the paint. You have this little one that looks like a little paint bucket. Select that. And it's positioned at 0, 0. I need to pick a test point and decide what side of the line is always true. Let's see, on the paper, I'm going to put it in this corner. Let's pick a test point. Well, like 0, 0. Something that's not on the line. Plug it into the problem. I'll have 0 is less than or equal to 4 times 0 plus 5. I went with y is less than or equal to 4x plus 5. Work that out. You'll have 0's less than or equal to 5. Is it true or false? That is true. So we're going to shade the side of the line that 0, 0 is on. On the computer, you know, it doesn't really matter here where you put this little paint bucket. It's going to give me an ordered pair. If you look at that, I have it positioned at 9, 5. There's where I've dumped the paint. Now let's save it and check answer.